Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tesla Daily Investor. It is Tuesday, 4th of March 2025, and it's about 12:35 here in London. And I just wanted to do a quick video update on my portfolio. So what I like to do at the beginning of the month is just see how much I've invested into my brokerage account, how much I put into my ISA, and how much I put into my SIPP, and how much I'm planning to put into my SIPP or this month. So basically what I do is I go to my activity feed, and this app is called Free Trade, which allows me to invest through my individual savings account and through my SIPP. So what I normally do at the beginning of the month is go to my activity feed and just go back and check how much I've invested previously. So this is my SIPP account. So starting from August 2024, that's when I started to get, serious about my investment. I started getting serious about my retirement, and I really wanted to build my £1 million portfolio going forward. So for anyone who's new to the channel, this channel is all about building a £1 million portfolio over the next 5 to 10 years. And my plan is simple. I will invest aggressively. So I'm going to be investing every day. I'm going to be investing at least £300 every day when the market is open. And I will try to take that up to £750 a day over the long term. So I'm going to be investing aggressively, and I'm going to be investing in high growth stocks such as Tesla, Nvidia, and MicroStrategy. So that's the plan. And my price targets for Nvidia, for MicroStrategy, and Tesla are as follows. So Tesla, £1,000, $1,000, MicroStrategy, $1,000, and Nvidia, $500. So potentially that's like a 3 to 4x increase from today's prices. So that's the plan, and what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to keep myself accountable. So what I do at the beginning of the month is see how much I've invested the previous month, and how well I've been doing, how well I've been maintaining this plan. So looking back at my SIPP, so for August 2024, I invested £220. For September 2024, I invested £231. So this is my retirement account. For October 2024, I invested £100. For November 2024, I invested £365.50. For December 2024, I invested £120. And for January 2025, I invested £30. So that is in my retirement account, that's in my SIPP account. So I'm just going to turn over to my ISA account to see how that's doing. So I'm just going to go to the activity feed now and just go back to 2024. So as you can see, 2024, if I go back to April 2024, so July 2024, I invested £51, and then I missed August and September, and then in October I invested £100. Then in November I missed that, but then in December I started to get serious. I really wanted to start investing my money regularly. I wanted to invest aggressively. I wanted to invest in high growth stocks. I wasn't too worried about the volatility. I had my investment time frame of between 5 and 10 years. And then in December, it was a turning point for me. I invested £3,646 and 44 pence. Then in January, I started to get even more serious. I started earning more money, freelancing, more money doing overtime, more money helping people, doing consultancy work as well on their property. So that's when I started to make more money, put some money aside for taxation, put some money aside for household bills. And in January 2025, I invested £6,792. So that was a kind of like a turning point for me when I started to get serious about my investment. And then in February, I couldn't maintain what I invested in January, but in February I invested £4,836 and 35 pence. And in March so far, I've invested I put in my brokerage account, in my ISA account, £3,000. So I will be investing £300 every day, as long as the market is open. So I'm expecting some more payments from some work that I've done in the past. So hopefully that should come through. But my minimum aim for March is to invest £6,000 into my ISA. So every day I'll be investing £300 into my ISA, into the three growth stocks that I have, which are Tesla, Nvidia, and MicroStrategy. So basically, the reason I do this, the reason I go back and see the progress, I just check up on the progress that I'm making, is just to see how well I'm doing, how well I'm meeting my goals. So my minimum target is to invest £6,000 every month. Ideally, I want to invest even more. I want to take that to £750 a day, but I know I need to be working much harder, much smarter. At the moment, I'm doing like 12-hour days, 7 days a week. I'm trying to, like, make as much money as possible to invest into the stock market, because I think it's a really good time. The stock market is dipping, and I think, it's everything is trading at a discount. So just to recap, so far this month in April, I've put into my brokerage account £3,000. I'm expecting to put another £3,000 once I've set aside some money for taxation and household expenses. So once I've done that, I'm hoping to invest £6,000 into my brokerage account, into my stocks and shares ISA account for this month. So, join me on my journey. See if I can invest this amount into my stocks and shares ISA account. And if you want to join me, feel free to do so. Subscribe to my channel. I do regular updates on my portfolio 3 times a day to see how it's doing. Every time I invest money, I make a video just to, keep myself accountable and just show everybody, like, with a little bit of motivation and dedication, you can take control of your finances. You can take control of your investments and start, growing your wealth. You don't have to, invest £300 a day every day. So this is not how I started. I invested with £1 per month, and then slowly, once I started getting more confidence, I started investing more money, like £10 a month, then £1 every day, then £10 every day. So I kept on doing that, and then eventually I was quite confident. I wasn't too worried about the volatility. I saw the ups and downs of the market. I studied the companies. I saw the long-term, potential, and then I started to invest aggressively into these stocks. So yeah, join me on my journey. See if you can, see if you want to do this. And if you want to, that's great news, because it's a great way of building your investments. So what I do is I invest through an ISA, and with an ISA, any money that you invest for an ISA, any gains that you make, is free of capital gains tax. So it's a great way to increase your wealth without paying any taxes, which is very important. Like, I'm investing aggressively into my ISA account. I'm investing in high growth stocks, and I'm investing in such a way where I'm not going to be paying any taxes in the future. So for me, I think ISA is a great way to do that. And to use a SIPP as well, it's a great way for investing money during when you approach retirement. So yeah, join me on my journey. I have around 1,000 subscribers at the moment. I'm trying to grow this to 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So any support you can provide will be appreciated. So until the next video, have a great day. I'm going to be doing an investment update as soon as the market opens. I'm going to be putting another £100. Then in the middle of the market trading day, I'm going to be putting another £100. And just before the market closes, I'm going to be putting another £100. So £300 in total I'm going to be deploying today. So yeah, join me for those updates. And if you feel inspired, do the same. As soon as you see my update, you can start investing money yourself. So it's a great way to build, a community. It's a great way to build that investment habit as well. So yeah, so I will catch you in the next video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.